Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your Android TV. This easy method involves streaming the game directly from your personal computer. You'll need a powerful PC capable of running the game smoothly, along with a stable and fast internet connection. We'll explore how to set up the necessary software to bring your trucking adventures to the big screen, offering a truly immersive experience right from your couch. First, let's prepare your personal computer. Install a game streaming application such as Steam Link or Moonlight. Make sure your PC meets the game system requirements and that your graphics drivers are completely up to date. For the best streaming quality, connect your computer to your router using an Ethernet cable, ensuring a stable connection with minimal latency. This setup is crucial for a seamless experience. Now, let's configure your Android TV. Download the matching streaming client application from the Google Play Store. Once installed, pair your preferred input device, such as a Bluetooth gamepad, keyboard, or mouse, directly to your Android TV. You can also fine-tune the streaming quality settings within the app to achieve the best visual fidelity and performance on your television screen. With everything set up, you're ready to hit the virtual roads. Simply launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 from the streaming application on your Android TV. Use your paired gamepad or keyboard and mouse to control your truck and navigate the game world. Remember, a strong and stable network connection is key to enjoying a smooth, immersive, and lag-free trucking experience across Europe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.